Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of web hosting with a review of Kinsta. If you're looking for a powerful and reliable hosting solution, then you'll want to stick around for this one. Kinsta is a managed WordPress hosting provider built on the Google Cloud platform. They offer a premium hosting experience with a focus on speed, security, and expert support. Whether you're running a small blog or high-traffic website, Kinsta aims to provide the performance and reliability you need. Kinsta utilizes Google Cloud's premium tier network and C2 virtual machines, ensuring your website loads quickly and can handle high volumes of traffic. They offer tools for developers, like staging environments, SSH access, and a custom dashboard that simplifies site management. Kinsta is suitable for businesses of all sizes, from small startups to large enterprises. Developers, agencies, and e-commerce site owners will appreciate Kinsta's developer-friendly features and robust performance. It's also great for anyone who prioritizes site speed and security but doesn't want to handle the technical aspects of server management. You can find the link for Kinsta in the description of this video. Now, let's talk about pricing. Kinsta offers several pricing plans to suit different needs. Starter plan, at $35 per month. This plan includes one WordPress install, 25,000 visits, 10 gigabytes of disk space, and free SSL and CDN. Pro plan, for $70 per month, you get two WordPress installs, 50,000 visits, and 20 gigabytes of disk space. Business plans, ranging from $115 to $450 per month. These plans offer more visits, more WordPress installs, and additional disk space. Enterprise plans, starting at $675 per month. These plans provide extensive resources for high-traffic sites and large businesses. Presenter, Kinsta's pricing might be on the higher side compared to some other hosts, but the value you get in terms of speed, security, and support can be well worth it. Go to Kinsta today, link provided in video description. That's our review of Kinsta. If you found this helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more reviews. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions, or if there's another hosting provider you'd like us to review next. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.